project work, etc. Occupy a center-based constructive approach teaching learning process. Recap International Curriculum Framework. The whole purpose of reducing the concept of internal assessment is to make curriculum transition more learner-centered, interact, exciting, life-related and fun-filling experience. This is certain to promote the interest for the subject and also enhance academic attainment of the student. The scheme, however, demands clear understanding of the need, importance and significance of the student and putting in additional efforts in implementing the right earnest. An analysis of results in these subjects, the year examination indicate that the internal assessment by many teachers in different schools in respect a very large number of students. Students bear very little correlation to the levels of learning outcomes as judged by their performance. In board examination,